Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Whitaker. I'm a photographer based out of New York City, and today's video is 6 ways that you can get started in photography today. This video is inspired by a question I get asked a ton over in my Build and Bloom photography Facebook group. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this. You guys can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase. So my first tip would be to do a styled shoot with a friend, whether you want to be a wedding photographer and so it's a bridal styled shoot or more of a fashion editorial styled shoot. There are a ton of resources nowadays where you can do one for free or next to nothing. I have a full video on how to set up a styled shoot, particularly a bridal one. I'll link it down below. It's about a year old. The same tips still apply. You can also modify the video to hit editorial kind of style as well. You can work with your friends as well. You don't have to have somebody who has been signed with an agency in order to get beautiful photos. Doing a styled shoot with a friend is a great way to get started. You can use those images as an example and then use it to market yourself on Instagram as well to other clients too, not just to reach out to models with. It's like a two-in-one thing. My next tip would be to build a website. And this actually does tie in with Squarespace. So Squarespace is what I have my website on, and also Build and Bloom site, and I've been using them for I think about 2 years now. I've tried other platforms, but I just really like Squarespace. They have amazing 24/7 customer support, beautiful designer templates, and also it's all in one. So you can have your domain, an online store, and blog post galleries. It's very convenient and easy to use. It's also very affordable. You could do a free trial. You can actually start a free trial today. If you decide that you like it, you can just get the basic plan. Having a website also to direct people to for collaborations and vendors, models, that kind of thing for the styled shoot is going to make you seem even more professional than just an Instagram page alone. My fourth tip is going to be to create a media kit. So a media kit is more helpful if you are wanting to reach out to brands, do paid work on more of a commercial or editorial basis. I'm going to have a link to a free media kit down below in the description box. So essentially a media kit is something that lays out all of your information in one PDF file for a brand to take a look at. My fifth tip is going to be join a community of creatives, whether it's a photography club at your college or your high school, or maybe it's the media team at your church that you can serve on. If you feel like you don't have something in person, there's also the Build and Bloom Facebook group, which is an online community. Build and Bloom is a place where you can share your work, receive insight, constructive criticism, you can ask questions, you can talk about gear, you can cultivate other friendships with creatives. It's such an awesome place and it's 100% free. It's free to join, so there's no risk involved. My sixth and last tip is to continue to learn. So online, oh my gosh, there are so many free resources available to photographers and influencers, bloggers these days. When I first started photography, I was super young. I was like 14, 15 years old. I would use Flickr and digitalphotographyschool.com and online forums, but YouTube and Instagram wasn't even a thing, but YouTube was not at the same capacity then as it is now. So I'm going to create a little blog post for you guys, link down below, listing out a ton of my favorite resources. Most of them are going to be free. Even on my own YouTube channel, I have how to price your photography, how to work with brands, how to reach out to brands as a blogger, how to create a price guide. I have a ton of behind the scenes, how to set up a styled shoot. Everything like that will be in that blog post, so go check that out. Those are my 6 tips to getting started in photography today. I hope that you guys learned from this. I hope that it helped you out. Again, thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. You guys can head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch your website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain. If you guys have any free resources that you think would help other photographers out, leave a link below in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for more photography videos, tips, and tricks. You can follow my own Instagram, my Twitter, and Build and Bloom's Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.